Welcome back. So what we'll be talking about now is how to get the most out of this course. First thing to consider is using speed controls as needed. There's a lot of stuff here where we're going to be typing in formulas, so you're going to want to zoom in, and context and syntax are key. If you don't type the formula exactly as it shows on the screen, you'll likely have challenges and receive errors of many different kinds. The key here when working with Google Sheets or for any program in that matter is making sure that you type things exactly as they're shown. You also want to make sure to type them yourself each time we go through something. I'll do my best to pause the video along the way so that I'll zoom in and you can see everything clearly. Second, you want to assess yourself to maximize your learning. The key idea here is there's no extra credit for skipping around and going through fast, and in the same breath, you want to make sure that the course gets the most out of it for you. If you have a background in Google Sheets, you may be able to do certain commands or certain tasks that we'll complete without watching the entire video. At this point, you could definitely speed up the video to get the content and ensure you have the right outcome, but doing it in the time that works best for you. Similarly, you could slow things down to make sure you're hearing everything clearly and understanding as much as possible. Lastly, download or create the content as described. A big part about working with Google Sheets is getting the hands-on experience. The purpose of this course is working through lectures where you see the data manipulation on your hand. At times, there'll be prefabricated worksheets that you can create or download on your own. Other times, we may work through some commands to generate data. Everything is designed to maximize the potential for your own learning. At this point, we're ready to move forward, so I will see you in the next lecture.